so that our children can feel okay to belong in a given culture. Number 2 is for inclusivity of diversity within the culture. Different cultures have different beliefs, and they have a lot of things that they do in a different way. So we want our children, as they grow up, they get to appreciate each and every culture. Number 3 is a sense of belonging. Kuna watoto wengine hata ukiwauliza nyumbani ni wapi hawajui. Ukimuuliza wewe ni wa kabila gani, haelewi na hafahamu. Sio kwamba tunataka ukabila, but we want them to appreciate where they come from and where they belong. And with those few remarks, I want to welcome my co-director to give us a word.
Umurobelio oyo boigo bwogoena na obosemya igoro yo ubuya bwokurende bintu bitwetana ni gonyara ko bagogo chengerwa kurwase amagacho amanene yo murayi bwensa State House ya Nairobi hanyara ko bagakuragwa amonere omo First Lady Rachel Ruto hoyo nyara ko baga kora umurobelio yo bwokoena na ebyegwa gochiase aborokiwa abo bagenda tukaba basomo stali mutwe Ryokonekia buna banyareko bakurenda ebinto bitwetana nonye nabo nigore Rachel anyareko bagakogokera ebitambukire bigenda tukaba bikoirwa amona abasubanti abanyareko babako basomo stali mutwe ryokorenda ebinto biri bitwetana na bigogorwa obosembe ucyasaba Kenya bonsi bagendera ko babako bwaterana ryokonekia buna esegi yogonjorera kwelire yenyareko bage kurwanwa asobwamo nabo igo ebinto byonsi anene biri bitwetana binyereko babikwego burendi boisaina.
We are gathered to mark 2 historic events. The first Mazingira Day celebrations and the inaugural winners ceremony of the First Ladies Mazingira Awards. Climate change is the single greatest challenge facing humanity and demands urgent action from all of us. Though you as children are not responsible for the problem of climate action, you bear its heaviest burden. In 2022, when Kenya faced its worst drought in 40 years, it was our children who suffered the most. As families struggled to find food and water, some schools were forced to close, and some of you had to drop out of school to help your families survive. This is why we must see climate change not just as an environmental issue, but as a crisis that directly threatens our children's present and future. This is the reason why children must be central in our climate action. As the mother of the nation, I'm focused on amplifying the voice of children in Kenya by advocating for your protection, provision, and participation. The First Ladies Mazingira Awards falls under children's participation, ensuring that no learner is left behind in our climate action.
Umorobelio yo ni gobigonyara ko boikraniwa amono mwaziri webinto bitwetana ine Aden Duale hoyo awo maigayaye konyora nyale ko bagakora umorobelio bwo koenekia buna orochirwa Nairobi ronyale ko barogo chenwa nigo Duala tabire buna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nene wizara ya NH ko koenekia chindo che chinyere koba chigo cheno na bigo kurekura tentinde gocyase bali bagena tukoba bakogosereria amache anene chinsoko cha mache goetera ansoko bwatoke ubi yigendere tukoba gego salia chindo che aime county ya Nairobi na bigo ensengima ya Kenya.
Kenya has a green constitution. Preamble number 4 talks about conserving the environment for now and for future generations. We are all experiencing the first-hand impact of climate change. The recent floods that devastated our infrastructure and tragically claimed many lives. We have no choice whatsoever as a country to restore our landscape, to restore our ecosystem, to secure our biodiversity, to plant and grow more trees and to increase our forest cover from 10% to 30% by 2023. The people who pollute Nairobi River or Nairobi rivers, the law is very clear. The regulators are here. We will shame in public, in private, those who pollute Nairobi rivers and all our urban and rural rivers. Even the trucks that carry clinker and other things to cement factories, they must comply with the law. The President has given the Cabinet of the Republic of Kenya, every Cabinet Minister, to have a day within the month to go and plant and grow trees.
Torigererie igoro yobokoreri bw'eki county nigo bono mugabana we county ya Kakamega Fernandez Barasa nyalekoba gakurwa ekura tentindi kukyase abo bisaha abo bagokora emiremo yo gosangireria ebango ime county eyo nabo banyalekoba bakorokana bagotwara chimbwa cyobokurumi ngani ga serikali ya yera chikoba gekubairera ege tambokero kerege tindi kokwana chingaki chomo sangirikano nyara ko bagokoreta amo haba bobo bisakorwa se county eya anena bo bagokoremeremo ase sekta yogo sangreria ebango ni go barasata birengana no kwegena buna ni go serikali eyera chikobage wikirania ekerengo gichi bilioni bere chia ebango yase omwaka oyo bwechibesa o 2024-2025 nanyarabo nigo hanyare kobaga gotebanga obokoreri ase abananchi nigo barachikobo kweneke obwikirano ko bwatirana amonabo bisana bwo chiwizara ime county eyo ya Kakamega.
Homegrown solutions, and we help the counties develop those homegrown solutions. Every department knows what they need to do, because once we achieve our potential, the on-source revenue will cushion this county when there's exchequer delays. Every time we've been hearing governors talking about the exchequer delays, they're not able to pay salaries, they're not able to implement their projects. But when we achieve our potential of all-source revenue, definitely it will cushion us on that area.
The issue of fraud, integrity, you guys, the chairman, when we have any cases of integrity, there is no court that will compromise with our staff, theft by servant. I want to compromise with Kamayo. I don't want to see cases, a guy has stolen, mutu aliiba receipts or permits, and then we are still
Onchumo ligeria hayongati yali mangeto kene tokabato kubwatire kurase mesa yeito yamaya ensa eyemona bigo Chinsa isato chabona botiko nyarako komerana amonere Evelyn Osero sogo komanye hayemanende amange hekerato kene tokabato gochengera lituko ya mazingira day. My producer kumbolinga Amisi aye ibagaki koira kweneke ngana ikonyera ko gukorinda ebinto bito etanaine nonya gugutara upara gokonyora eupi anena maskara ye nylon lisuki gukuri umugati gose kwagurira umugati rorase okwenda gwatuguta risakara buneri nenchira yemo iyo kwenekya una naye konyera ko gukorinda ebinto biriya bito etanaine goetania obosimeki wemete Lydia Mose moya kabere nyara ko bakonekia gochirwetera somo no bimanyelio sara momanyi nabwo gutonyara ko botoko batana manera konekia buna chibichamunelio gichago chira century wekirano yana goro kwa Josephat Amisi nakoganire oboligelio bya bwemero bya kubwatya ime ya Ndizi TV.